Good morning, YouTubers. Okay, so this morning I'll be reviewing my 4K Ultra HD video cam. Just recently purchased. It's a video camera. It's a digital, and it's 4K. It's 3840 by 2160, and the total megapixel is 64 in total. You can zoom up to 18. This I would have to confirm because I'm not very certain. So we'll be reviewing this later on. It comes in a well um, wrapped package. Very interesting. Very interesting packaging. Well, let's see how fantastic it works. Okay, so I brought it out and let's see what this pouch contains. I kind of unwrapped everything myself, so you don't have to go through the hassle of unwrapping. Okay, so guys, this is it. It's pretty small. I've fixed everything actually. The handle was not fixed. I had to fix it. I mean, this handle now, I had to fix it, sliding it here and here. So basically, it looks portable and nice. And it has a flip screen. Quite nice. I'll see how it works when I use it with this screen. Okay, so let's go into it. Again, I got my I got a transmitter and a receiver as the 900S series of Bovbox. This is the transmitter, and this is the receiver. We'll be using it in church with this guy. So I'm trying to see how to get it installed, and I'll give you guys the review. That's the battery for the cam, and these are some of the stuffs for this is a horseshoe mount for the transmitter. This is okay, no, this is the infrared transmitter, infrared infrared transmitter or receiver rather. Or is that transmitter? Okay, this is the infrared transmitter. You can see it's infrared transmitter. So I guess it's connected to one is connected to the transmitter via this port. Yeah, and then the other actually via this port. You can see infrared there. And then the other is connected to the receiver via this port. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing installations to see how far this can go between this point and that point. All right, stay tuned. All right, so this is how the transmitter and the receiver looks after I've installed the antennas to them. It's pretty portable. You can see how much of my grip covers it, right? It's pretty portable. So we're gonna do some installations now. So just hold on, guys. All right, guys. This is a setup for the transmitter on a 4K Pro camera. This is how it looks, and I'll show you signal. I'll show you the signal, how the signal is from over there. So let's go. Okay, so that transmitter sends the signal to this receiver. I had to just do a quick connection with this extension, and let's see how the signal is on video. Oh, okay, so it has gone back. I have to reconnect it. Let's do something. Let's bring it back again to camera, input, USB. Oh, okay. Okay, so here is our signal. I had to make it 4K. This is our second camera from here. It's a bit lagging. Let me show you the camera. I just had to set it here for tests, right? And then this is a camera over here, and then over there we have the other camera. Okay, at least you can see it's right. Yeah. Okay, so I that's how my transmitter, my receiver and my transmitter works. So it's done, and I'm using vMix for it. So this is going to be what we'll be using on Sunday for our first view, which is going to be our main camera, and then this is our other cut angle camera. Okay, so I guess the test is successful. The other thing is that I have to bring in a display screen for this guy so that the person mounting the camera can easily see what he or she is doing. But so far so good. I have an angle, I have my angles, and I can work with it. But that's me over there, just a little spot saying hi. Alright, please watch my video, follow me on YouTube at Praises, and then I'll be uploading more videos for us. Cheers guys, thank you, love you.